How to fix something that went wrong on Faceit. I am going to show you how you can easily fix something that went wrong on Faceit. Many have used this method and found it suitable to get rid of the error message, something went wrong on Faceit. In this fix, you are required to link Battalion to Faceit in-game, though not through the browser. In this, firstly, launch Faceit, and then follow this, then go in-game. Then go to Settings, then Online, then tap on Disconnect Faceit account. Then close and reopen the game and return to play the competitive to relink your account. Most of the time, it might be a temporary loading issue. In this case, you are just required to start Faceit. Just press the Recent Applications menu that appears at the first left bottom on your device. Then you need to close the app. Wait for a few minutes and open it again. It may resolve the loading issue, which might be causing the error message to come. And when the error is temporary due to server issues, wait for a while and then try and check if you are getting the error message or not. Also, it may be possible that heavy traffic on Faceit or some technical glitch has arisen, leading to trouble while loading. It may be possible that the server is under maintenance or is facing unexpected failures. When many users are on the app at the same time, the app may not fetch data, and this may cause server downtime. In this case, you have to wait for some time and try again later. However, if you encounter any issues, you can try reinstalling it to ensure you have the latest version.